Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add clip graphics on KineMaster. So in order to do that, first of all open the KineMaster application on your device and then open up a new project. After selecting a project or creating a new project, you will see this workspace. Now tap on Media at the top right corner from the wheel and select a media you want to edit. Choose one of the video clips and tap the tick mark at the top right corner to import the media. Now that you've imported a media onto your timeline, select the clip by tapping on it and explore through the tools provided on the right hand corner. Tap on Clip Graphics from the menu and browse through different categories. Tap on one of the graphics and select it in order to apply it to your video clip. If you want to search for a specific graphic, you can tap on Get More and browse through available categories of graphics you want to apply to your video. For some of the graphics out there, you will need to be a premium subscriber. After applying a graphic to your video, you can now get back to the timeline and play your video by tapping on the play button, and you will be able to see that you have successfully added clip graphics onto your video. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.